Hello. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix fabric into a hoop. This is the most important step in starting embroidery. If your fabric isn't tight, your stitches won't come out properly either. So make sure you watch this video carefully and practice. This is our hoop with the brass hook. The hoop comes in two parts, the inner ring and the outer ring. We need to separate the inner ring from the outer ring. To do this, simply push the inner ring like this, and they will come apart. We'll place the inner ring under the fabric, and the outer ring will go on top to secure it. I'm placing the inner ring on a flat surface. Over that, I'll place my fabric. I'll make sure to center the design properly like this. Now I'll take my outer ring and loosen its screw so it fits easily over the inner ring. Like this. We'll place it over the inner ring and push it downwards like this. Now we fix the ring onto the fabric. But the fabric is still not tight. So we'll tighten the fabric now. First, we'll tighten the screw we had loosened earlier. Hold the screw tightly with your thumb and turn the hook to tighten it. To get the best results and make it really tight, use a screwdriver. Just be careful not to hurt yourself. And with a screwdriver, it gets very tight. So we've tightened the screw. Now to tighten the fabric, we'll pull it from all four sides like this. Pull it very tightly. Pull it downward. And to check if the fabric is tight enough, just tap it with your fingers. You should hear a drum-like sound. Okay. Now this extra fabric will keep getting in the way while we embroider. So we'll cut it, but if you don't want to keep the fabric in the hoop and plan to frame it later, then I suggest you don't cut it. Since I want to keep this embroidery in the hoop itself, I'm cutting the extra fabric so that it doesn't get in the way while embroidering like this. Now we have our hoop ready to be embroidered. Happy embroidering!